One of the things that we're showing you here is this is actual factory. You call it maybe even a Line-X or a Rhino liner, or even a just a lining basically. And they put on stock Land Cruisers in the wheel wells here, both sides. We've chipped it off so we get right down to steel. So when we do our Line-X, we just have a single consistent coverage here. It would have bumped around. You can see where they placed this. It would have bumped around and looked rather odd. It did its job for a number of years, sound deadening and protection for the most part. But as you can see underneath here, it really is perfect underneath there. It's just no rust at all. So we chipped this away, and we'll do our scuffing and Line-Xing. Both sides here, driver and passenger side floor, were covered. But it comes up like candy. It's kind of a licorice kind of candy, black, hard.